Hey everyone, welcome back to Moto Craze. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the brand new 2025 Kawasaki Boss 175, a bike that's turning heads and stirring up excitement in the commuter segment. If you're looking for style, reliability, and performance on a budget, you'll want to stick around for this one. The 2025 Kawasaki Boss 175 marks a fresh entry in the 175cc class, and it's clear Kawasaki is targeting riders who want a blend of urban agility and bold design. First impressions. It's a looker. The exterior design is sleek and muscular, inspired by classic cruiser lines but reworked with modern touches. From the round LED headlamp and blacked-out components to the beefy fuel tank with Kawasaki's signature badging, it strikes a balance between retro attitude and contemporary style. Under the hood, or rather under the tank, is a 177cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It delivers around 13 horsepower and 13.2 Nm of torque, tuned for smooth city cruising and fuel efficiency. While it's not a powerhouse, the throttle response is decent and predictable, making it beginner-friendly yet enjoyable for seasoned riders who want a chill daily ride. The features are what really stand out in this budget category. You're getting an electric start, digital analog instrumentation, alloy wheels, and a front disc brake with CBS for better safety. The suspension setup includes front telescopic forks and twin rear shock absorbers, offering a comfortable ride even over rough city roads. The seat is wide and well padded, perfect for longer commutes or weekend rides. In terms of top speed, the Boss 175 can hit around 100 to 110 km per hour, which is respectable for its class. More importantly, the power delivery is linear, making overtakes in city traffic effortless. The fuel tank holds about 13 liters, and with an estimated mileage of 45 to 50 km/h, it promises low running costs, ideal for daily riders. Now let's talk pricing. Kawasaki has priced the Boss 175 competitively at around 1.35 lakh rupees ex-showroom. For what it offers in terms of design, reliability, and daily usability, it's a solid deal and a potential game changer in the entry-level cruiser segment. So, is the Kawasaki Boss 175 worth it? If you want a stylish, no-fuss commuter that stands out in traffic and handles well without breaking the bank, the Boss 175 definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Catch you in the next ride on Moto Craze.